Welcome to Cosmic Wisdom. Thank you for joining me here today. So, today we're going to talk about Shradha or Pitra Paksh. So, from today, which is the 17th of September, up until October 2nd, we are in the Bhadrapad month, which is the lunar month according to our Vedic calendar. So, right from Bhadra Purnima to the next Amavasya. Purnima is a full moon and Amavasya is a new moon. So, right from Bhadra Purnima, the full moon, to the next Amavasya, this time period, according to the lunar calendar, is called the Shradha or Pitra Paksha. It is understood in Lal Kitab astrology that any person that is facing financial difficulty, that is facing instability in profession, career, relationships, um, curses from the ancestors, or debts we owe to the ancestors play a very, very significant role. So, this is a very, very important and significant time period according to astrology to mend your relationships, to show your love, your respect to your ancestors. And sometimes it's just because we don't know what to do. But Lal Kitab gives a very, very effective remedy. In case you know that you do have Pitra dosha in your chart, you must perform this. And even if you don't know whether you have Pitra Paksh, you have Pitra dosha, that's okay. There is no harm in performing this simple remedy. All right? All you need is every single day in the evening, you need to light a lamp outside your house near your door. All right. The lamp needs to be made of, it could be a clay lamp, just a simple things that we use during Diwali. A clay lamp, you can find this maybe at any Indian store. You need to use a clay lamp. You need to have kalava. Now, this is a thread, but this is not processed thread. It's not a synthetic thread. This is a pure cotton thread. You can find this in several places. It's often known as kalava. It can be red or it can be white. That's fine. Either of them is okay to work with. So you need a clay lamp, kalava, you need black sesame, some black sesame seeds. All right, this is very effective for any kind of Pitra dosha. You need mustard oil. Any brand works, simple mustard oil. And if possible, and you have access to cow dung, I have cow dung cakes that I usually bring from a farm community and I save them to use in my rituals. But if you don't have, that's okay. But if you have access to cow dung cakes, then you can use that. So, as a remedy for Pitra Paksha, you need to light a lamp every evening, right from 17th of September to October 2nd, and pray to your ancestors to bless you, your family, and remove any obstacles. All right. So we will take a clay lamp, we will take the kalava. You just need to cut a small piece, which you can use as a wick. All right. So cut a small piece of this kalava, place it in your lamp like this. Fill the lamp up with mustard oil. Put a pinch of black sesame seeds and a little piece of the cow dung cake. If you do not have the cow dung cake, that's okay. You can just use the black sesame seeds the clay lamp, the thread, and the mustard oil. That's okay. All right. So please, every evening, light this lamp and pray to your ancestors for blessings. You can chant this mantra, I will post it up here, which says Om Sarva Pitru Devai Namaha. You can chant this once or you can chant this 11 times and seek blessings from your ancestors. Please perform this simple yet effective remedy, and I will see you in my next video with yet another simple, effective remedy from Lal Kitab. Thank you for tuning in. Bye bye.